Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete widgets from your Android home screen to customize your layout and free up space, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Unlock your Android device and navigate to the home screen where the widget you want to delete is located. Step 2. Locate the widget you want to remove from your home screen. Step 3. Press and hold on the widget until it is highlighted and your device vibrates or the widget lifts slightly. Step 4. Drag the widget to the remove or delete icon that appears at the top or bottom of the screen, typically represented by a trash can icon. Step 5. Release the widget over the remove icon to delete it from your home screen. Step 6. Alternatively, after pressing and holding the widget, look for a remove or delete option in the menu that appears and tap it. Step 7. Confirm the removal if prompted to ensure the widget is deleted from your home screen. Step 8. Repeat these steps for any additional widgets you want to remove from your Android home screen. Step 9. Note that removing a widget does not uninstall the app. It only removes the widget from your home screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.